Latter-day Story, Evie, Tanya Markova, the country's newest bands, each with a new album to fill the airwaves. Isa na namang banda na tubong Davao ang ating makikilala. Evie, handa na silang mapakinggan sa kanila kauna-unang album title, Paramdam. Composed of music majors from USC, Latter-day Story has come a long way from playing in the campus to hitting the Philippine music scene. Finally, they're releasing their first major album, Sama Sama, and their carrier single of the same title.
After Tanya Markova's successful debut single, Picture Picture, they're out now with their first album, aptly self-titled Tanya Markova.
3 bands, 3 new albums, 1 stage. Latter-day Story, Evie, Tanya Markova. Ito na!
Pangarap ko nung bata, sana'y matupad. Sa lugar na mahiwaga, noon ay mapagpad. Gusto ko na sumakay Magic Carpet Ride, kasama ko si Aladdin. Gusto ko na maglakay na side by side with girls under the sea. Mag-sweet swimming, shining, shimmering. Ako na ang bahala, ikaw na ang kawawa. Gusto ko magpunta sa Disney, mag-wish ako kay Genie para naka-dancing sa Disney, Disney, Disney. Sa Disneyland, si Goofy, si Wendy, si Minnie, si Sandy, Alina, Cinderella, Anastasia, si Dumbo, si Pluto, si Nino, Pinocchio, si Tarzan, si Donald, Pocahontas at si Jonah. Gusto ko magpunta sa Disney para ma-shopping kay Genie, para maka-dancing meeting sa Disneyland, sa Disneyland. Gusto ko magpunta sa Disney, mag-wish ako sa Lady. Waiter pa-order, papapa-order ng pag-ibig ng isang love life. Yung medyo seryoso pero kilig. Ayokong maghintay ng 48 years kasi alam ko na iilang. O mamaya mo muna kunin ang bill. Waiter, pa-follow ang order. Yung in-order kong love life. Kanina pa ako naghintay. Pa-follow ako ng in-order. Yung in-order kong love life. Ayoko na kasi ang maghintay. Waiter, pabalot. Pwede ba mabalot sa pag-ibig? Pwede ba take out? Ba't ang tagal ng service nyo dito? Ayaw ko maghintay ng 48 years kasi alam ko na in-love ka rin. O mamaya mo muna kunin ang bill. Waiter, ma-follow up ang order. Yung in-order kong love life. Kanina pa ako naghintay. Pa-follow up ko lang yung order. Yung in-order kong love life. Ayaw ka na kasi ang maghintay. TV! Party Pilipinas! There you go!
Alright,
Amazing
thank you,
OPM
guys.
music.
Mabuhay ang OPM, mabuhay ang OPM.
Mabuhay talaga.
Yeah.
Pero you know what, Jaya, we heard meron ka daw several shows, eh?
Yes, I will be going to the United States on November 5 and 6, Cache Creek with Randy Santiago and Miss Elizabeth Ramsey. On November 12 with Elizabeth Ramsey naman in Maui. And also on November 14, Honolulu, Hawaii. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Vicky Bello, D-Squared, Eyewear, Cosmo Nail, Steve McGunn, Fresh Look Contact Lenses through J. Venus Optical and Shangri-La Mall, Optical Works, and thank you.
You're gonna be gone. There you go.
Miss Jaya, pasalubong namin pasalubong namin ni Gina.
Ano ba, Macadamia nuts?
Marami yan. Of course, first we'd like to congratulate Mr. Augie Alcacid for your Gold Record Award!
Thank you very much.
Ako, I'm sure marami po kayong gustong pasalamatan.
Siyempre, gusto kong pasalamatan. Ayan ang boss namin. Hello, Kat.
Wow!
Would you like to congratulate me?
Good afternoon to everyone. I'm here to give this long overdue Gold Record Award to Augie, selling more than 10,000 units of his album, a tribute to George Canseco. Congratulations, Augie.
Wow. Actually, ma'am, congratulations sa atin, di ba? Congratulations sa Universal Records. You know what? I wanna thank everybody. Yung mga nagpupunta sa mall shows, the Oginians, the Overanians, the Babanians, the Augie's Angels.
Madami kang fans,
I'm sorry, madami.
Wow.
But most of all, I really want to thank the Filipino people because this is a true testament that original Filipino, original Pinoy music is alive. Tayo yung mga Pilipino, we love our Pinoy music. So thank you so much for, continuing that support to our beloved music industry. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Bumili pa kayo ng Pinoy music. It's the best.
Very well said.
Congrats, pare.
Ay, salamat.
Panalo.
Siyempre sa Party Pilipinas, maraming salamat. Of course, to my one and only sweetheart for inspiring me all the time.
Naku!
Ikaw ang aking gold record.
Joseph!
Ayan. Ayan, para nagiging platinum na. Ayan.
Yes.
Ma'am, Thank
And
you.
talagang this just proves na buhay na naman talaga ang Philippine music industry. And of course, ang daming mga bagong bands na tayong of course here sa Party Pilipinas with their original music. Congrats sa Evie, di ba, Miss Reg? Evie.
Yeah.
Am I pronouncing that right? Evie?
Yes. Yes. Letter.
Yung mga banda na nag-perform kanina, yung Evie,
Evie.
of course, Tanya Markova, Day Story, and of course,
Letter,
to all of them,
later,
congratulations.
Yeah.
Get a copy of their albums. Supportahan natin ng sariling ating.
Tama. And speaking of supporting our very own, syempre si Jenlyn may bago ring offer na sa mga kapuso.
Go for it, Jen. Invite
Go for
lahat
it.
ng mga kapuso.
Yung mga hindi pa po nakakabili ng Love Is, Jenilyn Love Is, yung aking bagong album, please grab a copy. Available na po siya sa lahat ng record bars nationwide. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Dr. Vicky Bello, Dr. Adahar, at Pinantonio. Thank
Love
you.
Is?
Love Is.
Ay, alam ko yung Love Is mo eh.
May sagot ka na naman.
Love Is
Alright,
Thank you
thank you
kay Dr.
guys.
Vicky Bello.
Dr. Vicky Bello, thank you. M. Louillier, thank you very much. And of course, D Squared. Thank
Alright.
you. Thank you.
When we return, mga kapuso, the celebration is not yet over until we have our signature all-star finale number.
Huwag kayong alis! Okay.
Zagu,
Bibi Stuffed Breads,
Master Shomai,
Whimsky Enterprise, Needs Balot sa Dahon,
Scramble King,
Happy House Donuts, King Sue,
RL Lapid's Chicharon,
Living Water,
Pansin ang mga performers na magpapakita sa inyo kung paano mag-party sa susunod na linggo.
Shot, I know you be hearing this and that from here and there, but please trust and believe, little mama. I see you gon' ride for me, so I'ma die for you. Is you with me? I got your back. Well, let's get it. But when this out, so when this out, I promise I will never check it out what you call me.
Party Pilipinas, lilipad na sa susunod na linggo. Enjoy your trip!
Ano? Si Mel, makikipag one-on-one sa isang taong nakikipagtalik sa patay? ano naman to? Susi. Tsaka, Doraemon. Alam ko na, yung bahay na door-to-door at yung Doraemon collection. Yan, dalawang pumatok na finiture ng Mel and Joey na babalikan natin.